All right, listen, I believe I may have discovered the easiest way to make money on the internet possible. Now, I've been doing this a long time and I've made a lot of money, over 7 figures on the internet, but I've never seen anything this simple in my life. If you can follow instruction and you have a good work ethic, you can make money with this method. So if you're ready, I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. Let's go. All right, Chickamoy boys and girls, the first thing that you wanna do is go to this website, which is a marketplace called WAP. I'm gonna leave my link in the description for easy access. It is completely free to sign up, so don't worry about that. But what we wanna do is we wanna come to this site and I'm gonna share with you how you can get affiliate links of programs that are completely untapped. Now, the reason I say that they're untapped is because things like ClickBank, Digistore 24, those are more popularized and the competition is a lot higher. But an affiliate network like this is, first of all, if you do want to sell digital products, you can sell them here, but that's not really for beginners. Affiliate marketing is more for beginners, and also you can make a lot of money. I've done over $1 million with affiliate marketing. You can be more than just a beginner with this, but it's the easiest way to make money. And so when you come to a program and network like this that's fairly new to the marketplace, there's a lot more opportunity for you. So let me just show you right here. And by the way, when you come to the homepage and you sign up, what you're gonna wanna do is eventually navigate to become an affiliate, which you will see at the top right. That's gonna bring you to this page. Now, what I wanna show you is right down here is that WAP has already awarded their affiliates over $15 million. And this is growing every single day. And actually, you can see these tickers are live and continue to increase. But what we want to do is find awesome products on here that we can promote as affiliates. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on refer customers. Now, remember, you have to be signed in for this to work. So go create your account, sign in, it's absolutely free, and let's rock and roll. And what you'll see here is that you don't have any affiliate links yet. So if I click on products here, what you're gonna see is that there's over 9,400 products that people have created and put onto this marketplace. That's great for us as affiliates because we can make money. And the method that I'm gonna lay out for you in this video is so simple, you're gonna thank me later. Actually, you can thank me right now. Just hit that thumbs up and we'll call it even, okay? All right, so then what you want to do is you want to come over to categories. Click on categories, and when you scroll down here, you're going to see a bunch of different categories here that you can promote products inside of these categories. So you want to pick one that you jive with, just something that you like. In this case, I'm going to click on e-commerce. And now what we're going to see here is that WAP is showing me that at the time of filming this, there's 597 different products that I can promote as an affiliate right now. And I have them sorted by bestseller, but what I wanna do is I wanna come down here and I'm gonna filter this by higher priced products. So I'm gonna click on $100 and over. Now, every single product that we're looking at here, if someone were to purchase it, it costs more than $100. So I'm gonna scroll down here until I find something that I like and looks like it has the potential to make money. And I see this one right here. This is the one I'm going to go with. And what I can see here is that this product costs $2,000. So that sounds good to me. I'm going to click this, open it up, take a look at it. And then we're going to see if this is something that we want to promote as an affiliate. So right here, this is called Brand Discovery, Empowering Your Clothing Brand Journey. Okay, so this is e-commerce about building a clothing brand. Awesome. And you can come down here and see what their page looks like. And by the way, this is very similar, except I'm logged in right now, of what people, you're going to be driving traffic to this page where they can join and you'll make a commission. So what you want to do is as you're researching these, scroll all the way to the bottom and you're going to see it'll say become an affiliate. And if I look at this right here, it says 30% reward. So we know that the program costs $2,000. It's 30%. So every single sale that we make as an affiliate, we're going to get paid out $600. That sounds good to me. So if you like it, you're logged in. All you do is say, add to my affiliate dashboard. You click that button and now Bob's your uncle. It's going to be in your back office. Let me show you what that looks like. So once you're inside your back office, you'll see the bar here on the side. You go to affiliates And under the customer section, you're going to see now brand discovery has populated, and there it is. And on the right-hand side, you're going to see the reward for referring people to this is 30%. And then this little double page right here, if I click that, boom, now I've copied my affiliate link. Now that we have our affiliate link, it's time to drive traffic to this affiliate link. And I want to be clear on something here. The method that I'm about to share with you is a complete secret. Shh, don't tell anyone. I've not seen anyone on the internet or on YouTube share with you what I'm about to tell you. And I believe it's a very powerful, simple, beginner-friendly way to start driving traffic for affiliate marketers. The first thing that you want to do is go over to the Google Chrome extension web store, and you want to download Brisk Teaching AI Assistant for Teachers. This is absolutely free, and your mind is about to be blown on how we're going to use this to drive traffic. So go ahead and download this, and we'll move on to the next step. Once you have Brisk downloaded and installed into your Chrome extension, what you want to do is come over to YouTube and do a search relevant to whatever product it is that you chose to promote as an affiliate. In this case, I did the research and I typed in clothing e-commerce. And you want to browse right here and find a video that you think is relevant to the product that you're promoting. I'm going to use this one right here because it's talking about how to start a clothing brand. And I'm simply going to click on it. Once it loads, you're going to see something new that Brisk has installed on this web page. And that is down at the bottom right. You're going to see this little icon. If I click on this, this is where all of the magic happens. So what I want to do is I want to click on this button right here that says create, and I want to choose presentation. Now don't worry, we're not actually going to be creating a presentation. You'll see here in just a minute. So all I do is I leave all this here. It says presentation. So what you see here, it says create a presentation about this YouTube video. It's at the 6th grade level. It has 20 slides, and I'm going to click on next. Now what you can do is choose a theme for this. I'm going to choose dark, and all you do is simply click this button right here called Brisket. Now, once you click that button, automatically it is creating a slideshow for you inside of Google Slides. All right, so now the AI is done doing its thing. And what you can see here is we have a step-by-step from that YouTube video slideshow that we can use to create our own video. Now, you may want to spice this up a little bit. And the other thing that some people may have a question on is they're saying, oh, you're just stealing this and presenting this as an expert, even though you're not an expert. And I want to be clear on that. I am not suggesting you be fake or phony, okay? Everyone starts somewhere. Here's what I am doing. I'm telling you to simply share information. Be honest and say you came across this information, and I'm going to share with you how to start your clothing brand. So whatever video that you come across and you share, if you don't have information, you don't know the subject matter, I want you to approach it as a reporter. You are reporting the news on what you discovered, and that's the God's honest truth. I did that when I started out, and as a matter of fact, I still do it to this day. So come into this as a reporter, have that mindset, and it's going to help you out. And the other thing is you may want to spice this up with some images because it might be a little bit boring right here. So you can do that by going to the top, simply click insert, image, search the web, and then right here I just typed in clothing brand. And you can come down here, find an image you like, select it, click insert, and here you go. Now you can have it spiced up a little bit and make it look a little bit better. The other thing that you want to do is come all the way to the bottom, and you can do this actually in the middle as well. But what we want to do is we want to put a call to action. So I'm going to simply click on this text. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to bring it down here. And then I'm going to say, want to get a full course. And then I'm just going to say, click the link below. Okay. Because we're going to be putting this into a YouTube video. I'm going to actually select all of this. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change it to red so it really pops. So now we have something that we can create a YouTube video about. So how do we go about recording this? And it's really simple, okay? This is what I use, and as a matter of fact, I'm recording this video that you're watching right now on this software. It's absolutely free. It's OBS, okay? Simply do a Google search for it. You can find it on Google. OBS Studio, whether you have Mac or Windows or some people have Linux. But anyways, you can find it, you can download it. It's absolutely free. What that allows you to do is come to your presentations, and this is exactly how I do my presentations, or if I'm using any Google slide for my videos. At the top, you're going to see where it says slideshow and an arrow. Click on this and click on presenter view. Now it's going to pop up just like this. Okay. And if you hover at the bottom left, I don't know if you'll see this, you click on this and you can even turn on the laser pointer. Boom. Now you have a really cool laser pointer that you can go through this, right? And so if I come up to the top, and you can do this just by scrolling or clicking or even using your arrows on your keyboard, you say, hey, legalizing your business. So now let's talk about legalizing your business, right? Boom. Now let's go getting into wholesale. The other thing that some of you may have, you say, yeah, this all sounds fine and dandy, but I really don't want to be on video. Well, guess what? Inside OBS, guess what I can do? Automatically in 3, 2, 1. And guess what? I disappeared. I'm still talking. You can't see me, and I can bring myself back. This is the power of something that's absolutely free to you to use as a resource. Both of these softwares are free. You can use Google Slides for free. You can use all three of them. Brisk Teaching for AI is free, and the recording software, everything is free, what I'm showing you thus far. Now, the next part of this is you actually want to take that video that you recorded inside of OBS. And obviously, if you guys have access to other editing softwares, I know a free one is CapCut. You can edit the video you want. You can put some flair to it if you'd like, but it's time to upload that video to YouTube. So you got to have a YouTube account. You want to create a channel, and then we're going to upload that video. Now, we don't want to just upload it and call it, what it is. We want to optimize it for SEO. So the way that you can do that is I came over here to ChatGPT and I said, give me an SEO optimized YouTube description for the keyword, how to start a clothing brand. And I'm simply going to click go on this. And what it's going to do is it's going to provide us a YouTube description for this. And in this case, it actually gave us something right here. This is pretty cool, right? So now we have something that we can kind of go off here. Now these timestamps obviously that's not true, but they even gave us some hashtags, relevant hashtags if we want to use that. I wouldn't necessarily just copy and paste this whole thing, but use this as inspiration. Also, come back to YouTube and go through videos that you see. And what I do is I have a Google Chrome extension called vidIQ. On any video right here, I have some extra data on the right. If I click on overview, and this is absolutely free to use this portion of this tool, you scroll down here, you're going to see the channel tags. But here's the other thing you're going to see. You're also going to see the video tags. And so you can take relevant keywords. So I can copy all of these, paste them into my tags in the video, and then I can delete the ones that aren't relevant and then add other ones. Now, if you really want to take your tags to the next level, what you see here are the top rated tags that this video is ranking for. So number 3, number 1 is you're going to take the highest rating the video tags, then go open up the next 3 or 4 videos that are ranking and take theirs. And then you're combining all of the top rated video tags to put into your video. Now, I don't know how much that helps, but every little bit can help, especially if you're just starting out. Now, the next step of this is to mask your affiliate link. Now, you don't have to do this, but I highly recommend doing it. And the first way that you can do it is bit.ly. I've used bit.ly. It's called bit.ly, and that's what you're looking at right now. I've used this for years and years, but if you want to take this to the next level and you're really serious about this and you want to have your own branded links, which means you have your domain and then / your links. I'm going to show you how I use that, but I use something called Pretty Links. I have a WordPress website, and it gives me the option to then, on all of my links, I can track how many clicks they're getting. And then I can also have it branded to my brand. If you're going to become a full-time affiliate marketer over time, I recommend doing this. So I recommend Hostinger, and you can get WordPress. If you click on this, no matter what plan you choose what's best for you. I'm going to leave my link down below. So use my affiliate link, but here's what's more important. Click on have a code, and I have a special code. If you type in freedom, because this Freedom Influencer that you're watching, Freedom promo, and you hit apply, that's going to give you an additional 10% off your website. Now, the way that they do their pricing is that the longer you go, the less you pay per month. Okay. So if I just did 1 month, they have a setup fee and it's $14.95. If you start out with 12 months, They bring it down to $3.10. These prices can fluctuate. They have sales going on here and there, right? But this actually gives you a free domain. Okay. And then if you do 24, or I think 48 months, you get actually some free months included. So you'd still get the free domain, and this would give you 3 free months, and you'd be set for 4 years. If you decide to get your WordPress site set up with Hostinger, don't forget to use my promo code Freedom Promo for an additional 10% off. So now the last part of this is actually creating our affiliate link and making it look pretty. So I'm coming back into WAP. Here's my affiliate link right here. I'm going to copy this to clipboard. I'm going to jump back into my WordPress website, and all you have to do to install Pretty Links, and like I said, it's a 100% free plugin, is on the left-hand side, you're going to navigate to where it says plugins. Then you want to go to add new plugin. Once you're at the plugins page at the top right, you want to search Pretty Links. And this is the one that you want to install. It says Pretty Links. I need to do an update, so I'll do that right now. You're going to simply click install and then activate it. Once you have it installed, come to the left-hand side, say hover over Pretty Links, and then click on add new Pretty Link. Once you do that, you're going to see a page just like this. And I typed in what the product was called, which was called Brand Discovery. You come down here, put your target URL, which is going to be your actual affiliate link that you just copied from inside WAP. You're going to paste it here, and then you can choose what your branded link looks like. So in this case, I called mine Brand Discovery. So it's freedominfluencer.com/brand discovery. And then you're going to come to the top right and hit publish. Once it's published, you can take this little copy to clipboard, you copy it, and then if I come over here and I paste this into Google, into my URL bar, what you're going to see is the sales page. And now this is the link that you want to put inside your YouTube video. So there you have it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you want more training on affiliate marketing and learning how to make money online, you know what to do. Join the Freedom Train and subscribe to Freedom Influencer. That's what we talk about here, and I appreciate you for watching this video. All the links will be in the description, including if you want to go deeper into learning how to make money online. Check the links in the description, and of course, you need to go watch this video next because that's what you need to do. YouTube has it popped up. Actually, I put it up there. But anyways, this is Nathan, Freedom Influencer. I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.